and welcome to yet another tutorial video from Unboxfame. First, type Chat GPT on Google. Then log into your account, and if you don't have any account and you don't know how to create a one, you can also see our previous video in which I have explained how you can create an account on Chat GPT. And after this, you can follow me throughout the video. ChatGPT's advanced capabilities have created a huge demand, with the AI tool accumulating over 100 million users in a very short span of time. One of the biggest standout features has been its ability to compose all sorts of text within seconds, including songs, poems, bedtime stories, and essays. So it has created one essay on my given topic, and now I will ask some tricky questions about it. As you have seen, I have checked the essay on DupliChecker, which shows that it is 100% plagiarism free. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, you can contact us at aitutorials@unboxfame.com. Thank you so much for watching.